Well, we're about to head out on the boat. We got the engines right here, so it's going to be loud here. So we'll do a little video of our 3-hour cruise. There's Marco, all right, and his lovely wife Judith there with a happy couple, and other various sundry people here, Sonny and other folks up here. And we got Bedley up there. We got a little bit less people on this boat because I think the boat's a little bit smaller. But we're going out. We're going to do warp speed here as we're going out. There we go. Okay. It's going and it's loud. Okay, farewell, farewell. So I think we have arrived. My hearing is gone for a few minutes from the sound of the engines. But that's the island out there, I think. Turtle Island. What was the island that the prisoners were on or something? Yeah. That was Devil's Island.
Oh, Devil's Island.
Yeah, this is not Devil's Island. This is Turtle Island.
What is it? Turtle floating here.
So I think we beached the boat up there, and then they put that, we walked down it, so you shouldn't get wet. But you can see the bottom here. So I didn't sign up for the snorkeling, but maybe I'm sorry that I didn't, because the water looks pretty clear here. Oh well, only so much you can think of. Oh, we have landed. Our boat is going off. The other people are getting off. Some have bags. But we're here. Turtle Beach. It's hot, no wind, sandy, and I'm going to work my way up to shade. Looks like a turtle spot here that was dug out. I'm going to take a vid up here. It says Salamat Sandakan Tamlapalapa. Welcome to the Selingaan Island, Turtle Islands Park, Sandakan, Sabah, Malaysia. So that's what the sign says here. We're going up close. I hope I'm going the right way. But yeah, there it is there. Okay, came from down there, and I still haven't got my land legs yet, but okay.